The Single Fire Extinguisher Cabinet, or fire extinguisher box, whichever your preference is, comes in two sizes, or for a single extinguisher. As you can see, we've got the double one here that fits two extinguishers, but we're going to concentrate on these today. These are very, very strong, very, very durable. They're made in Europe. They are made by a company called Daikin, who have probably one of the most advanced factories. Just to point out, the Vigil brand, they're made by Daikin. You may also see exactly the same ones under other brands such as Commander, Fire Chief, Ultra Fire. Same Daikin cabinet, check the price. So let's start with a standard one. The clever design on this has the clips on the side are integral with the plastic. It is clever, these will last for donkey's years. That has a solid window inside so you can see the gauge. This will fit a 6 litre or 6 kilogram extinguisher. It will easily fit a 9 kilogram and it may even fit a 12 kilogram. Please check the dimensions, but if you're using it for a vehicle, which they are commonly used, ADR regs, etc., etc., you'll see these on the back of cabs on articulated lorries. Now, it has this strap inside. Now, we've put this in already, and if I pull that off, just release it and take the extinguisher out, you can see it's got this clip. That comes with every one, so it's standard. Now, you can remove it if it's not necessary, if it's just fixed on a wall. This is designed to be fixed on the wall. It's got a couple of points here and here where you would bolt it on. Very easy to do. If you wish to add an alarm, we offer the option of an STI mini theft stopper, which is the standard in cabinet alarms for this type of thing, for fire safety. These come with little sticky pads, you can fix them on. Instructions on how to set it up takes 1 minute. Really, really simple. When you set that alarm off, I'm not going to do it, it is deafening. So if you wanted it to be locked, now you can see it has a catch here on the side, which I think is designed for a padlock. Personally, I don't think it's a good idea to padlock up a fire thing, because if the key box is then missing, how are you going to open it? So we would recommend using that for an anti-tamper seal. You know, like quite often are wrapped on the top of fire extinguishers. That's a good way to know if it's been tampered with. On the double one here, this is not the standard, this is the one with a lock. Just to show you, if you did have it for, say, prison use, care home, for special types of homes where it is necessary for people's safety, then the double lockable cabinet is the one. This is the extended, this is taller, because some extinguishers, mainly the 5 kilogram CO2 extinguisher, will not fit in your standard one. Please, please check the internal dimensions, not the external of the box. Now, this operates exactly the same, and as you can see, we put a 5 kilogram CO2. These are extremely tall, that is very heavy. It handles the weight. In their testing, these are tested for low temperatures. They're drop tested, where they drop a whole box from a height, they just bounce. They drop heavy weights on them, they bounce off. These will last. Very, very popular. At Vigil prices, they will always beat the other brands, and they're always in stock for next day delivery. To see more, to see the dimensions, to see the prices, just follow the links. As usual, you know the score.